Well, this is Dave Adams with the E-mini Trading Professor System. And today things are back to normal, and I'm glad that the Fed chairman got a chance to speak and essentially say nothing, but the market waited with bated breath for 2 days, and it was just a dreary time to try to trade. So today was much better, had a lot of fun, and things went pretty well. Well, I want to make sure you read our required disclaimer, as there's all sorts of important and pertinent information here. Well, here's today's chart. Mark was basically down all day. I was mentoring somebody today, so we traded till about 11:15, 11:13, or 11:30, at least until the market started going sideways over the lunch hour. I actually came back and traded. I managed to trade this down move, and then there was a little bit right after the close there. It was a pretty nice day trading. We started today a big down. I didn't want to get too aggressive. We just traded one contract. I think we got in up here. We tried to click out the stops, and we got stopped. It moved so fast that we couldn't get it done. I went ahead and just ran a Fibonacci retracement from high to low on this. And here at 61.8, you can see this, which between 50 and 61.8 is the ambush zone. This thing stopped right on 61.8 and turned south, and we had a real nice trade that went all the way. This particular trade ended up getting down into our second stop. I was using I was scaling out of all the trades today, and then we got knocked out and on a break even on it, so I was a little disappointed. Kind of the same thing happened here. We got, we hit our initial stop, and then got knocked out at break even. This, by the way, is an instant chart. When we stopped trading, by the way, right here. This is an instant chart, and it's kind of the charting program I've been recommending. I really like. I got a few extra indicators that you probably aren't used to. This is called an accumulation and distribution chart. You can see here the market's distributing shares. It never really gets to a point where you're going to see the market accumulating shares. This purple line is the average. This is just the ADX off the DMI. I took all the DMI things off, just keep your ADX, and you can see it really points out the trends nice for you. And I just use it to follow trends along with the 89 period simple moving average. All in all, it was a pretty good day. Me and the guy I traded with, I think we ended up about $375 for the day. So it was really nice after 2 days of just dreary sideways movement. I picked up a pretty good amount in here, and all in all, it's a great day. You can see on all these we had good crossovers, so that the trades were pretty distinct. We didn't really use the crossover on this one, though. This one I just when it stopped on 61.8, I was I thought pretty highly of the fact that it was going to change direction, and of course it did. So that was kind of how it went. Heck, we had a good time, told a lot of jokes. The thing kind of stopped over lunch, and then I kind of got back in here, and this was a fun trade. And all in all, pretty enjoyable day. We were 4 for 4 on trades, although these two really, they weren't real. They were like $50 or $100 profit. They really didn't pan out just because the market retraced right back into our break-even point. This was this was probably the best trade we made all day. We made the most money on that. But on the other hand, anytime you're in the positives, you've done well. You've done real well. Well, I want to encourage you to go to learntotradeandinvest.com. Sign up for our nightly videos if you haven't. They're free of charge. On active days, we do an expanded video for our members of the site. But we send out videos like this every night, and we encourage you to do that. We have a great course. It's designed primarily for beginners. It's pretty easy to learn. It's not complicated. I've been a trader my whole life, and I really just designed it. It's to trade with trends and use some Fibonacci retracements and oscillators along with price action. And we focus a lot on price action to determine what trades we get into. I hope that helps, and make sure you have a great day, okay? Bye-bye now.